When it comes to enhancing the comfort, energy efficiency, and value of your home in Auburn Hills, few upgrades are as impactful as installing double-pane windows. These modern windows are designed with 2 layers of glass separated by a sealed space filled with air or inert gas, offering several advantages over traditional single-pane windows. For homeowners in Auburn Hills, where the seasons bring everything from icy winters to hot, humid summers, double-pane windows are not just a luxury, they're a smart investment. Energy efficiency. Save money year-round. And one of the most significant benefits of double-pane windows is their ability to improve your home's energy efficiency. The insulating layer between the panes helps to reduce heat transfer, keeping your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. In Auburn Hills, where temperatures can swing dramatically throughout the year, this insulation is invaluable. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, homes with double-pane windows can save up to 24% on energy costs compared to single-pane windows. Over time, these savings can significantly offset the initial investment. Plus, with rising energy costs, having energy-efficient windows can make a noticeable difference in your monthly bills. Enhanced comfort. Say goodbye to drafts. If you've ever felt a chilly draft near your windows in the middle of a Michigan winter, you know how uncomfortable it can be. Double-pane windows create a barrier that minimizes drafts and maintains a more consistent indoor temperature. They also help reduce condensation, which can lead to unsightly mold or mildew around your windows. By investing in double-pane windows, you can create a more comfortable and healthier living environment for you and your family. Noise reduction. Enjoy a quieter home. Auburn Hills is a thriving community with its fair share of hustle and bustle. Whether you live near busy roads, schools, or other high-traffic areas, outside noise can disrupt your peace and quiet. Double-pane windows provide an effective noise barrier, significantly reducing the amount of sound that enters your home. This added layer of tranquility can make your home feel like the sanctuary it should be. Increased home value. A smart investment. And installing double-pane windows isn't just about comfort and savings. It's also a great way to boost your home's resale value. Prospective buyers are increasingly prioritizing energy-efficient features, and double-pane windows are a major selling point. They signal to potential buyers that your home is modern, well-maintained, and cost-effective to run. In a competitive real estate market like Auburn Hills, this can give your home the edge it needs to sell quickly and at a higher price. Environmental benefits. Reduce your carbon footprint. In addition to saving money on energy bills, double-pane windows help you do your part for the environment. By reducing your home's energy consumption, you're also lowering its carbon footprint. For environmentally conscious homeowners in Auburn Hills, this is a meaningful way to contribute to a greener planet while enjoying tangible benefits in your everyday life. Durability and long-term saving. Modern double-pane windows are designed to last for decades with proper maintenance. Their durable construction helps them resist warping, cracking, and other issues that can plague older single-pane windows. Additionally, many come with advanced coatings that block UV rays, protecting your furniture, flooring, and decor from fading over time. By choosing high-quality double-pane windows, you're making an investment that will pay off in both short-term comfort and long-term savings. Financial incentives and rebates. Michigan homeowners may also be eligible for state or federal incentives when they upgrade to energy-efficient windows. Programs like the Energy Star tax credit can help offset the initial cost of installation. Be sure to research local rebates and incentives available to Auburn Hills residents, as they can make your investment even more affordable. The bottom line: a worthwhile upgrade. For Auburn Hills homeowners, double-pane windows offer a winning combination of energy savings, comfort, noise reduction, and increased home value. While the upfront cost may seem significant, the long-term benefits far outweigh the expense. From lowering your energy bills to creating a more comfortable living space, double-pane windows are an upgrade you won't regret. If you're considering replacing your windows, now is the perfect time to make the switch. Contact a trusted window professional in Auburn Hills to explore your options and take the first step toward a more energy-efficient and comfortable home. Your future self and your wallet will thank you.